Okay, this is regular geometry unit 5. This is homework problem 4-52. This is find the value of x in a triangle below. We have a right triangle, so we can use Pythagorean theorem. So 10 squared plus x plus 3 squared equals 26 squared. So this is just a squared plus b squared equals c squared. 10 squared plus x plus 3 squared equals 26 squared. And notice I put this whole quantity in parentheses because I got to square that whole thing. I'm not just squaring the x, I'm not just squaring the 3, I'm squaring that whole thing. So this becomes 100 plus, and then if you got to multiply this out in a generic rectangle, and that's what you got to do, x plus 3 squared ends up being x squared plus 6x plus 9. And 26 squared is 676. Okay, so let's combine some like terms here and see what we got. So we got x squared plus 6x plus 109 equals 676. So it looks like it's going to be a quadratic. So let's move everything over to one side here. So we get x squared plus 6x, so 109 minus 676, that is 567. So now I'm going to try and find factors of 567 that will add to 6. Okay, so I want to multiply the negative 567 and add the positive 6. So let's see what we can do. 7 times 81, that's not going to work. Let's try 567. Let's try and divide that by 9. 63 and 9, that's not going to work either. Let's see, 567. Let's try and divide that by 54. No, let's see, 567. That's not going to work either. There's a lot of factors here. With 567, so let's try and test some and see what we end up getting. Let's see, 567, we know it's divisible by 9. Let's try and divide it by 18. So 567 divided by 18. Nope, that's not going to work. Let's try and divide it by 27. Okay, it's 27 times 21, which seems promising, right? Because the difference between 27 and 21 is 6. So let's see if we can get this to work. So how about positive 27 minus 21? So x and x plus 27, x minus 21. 27 times negative 21 is negative 567. 27 minus 21 is positive 6. That works out. So our values of x would be negative 27 and 21. Now one of these we have to throw away. X cannot be negative 27 because if we plug that back in, we got a negative side length of 24. So that's not going to work. So the only viable answer here is for x to be 21. Okay, so a little bit of work there, right? We had to multiply out this binomial. We had to set it up as a quadratic, set it equal to 0, and then try and find factors that would work there to create the two binomials here. At the end, throwing out one of those answers because it resulted in a non-realistic solution. Any questions about how we set that up, multiplied it out, got the factors, or solved it? Feel free to give a question or comment. Otherwise, you're more than welcome to like, subscribe, or share to our geometry videos.